Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have numbers. Start now by selecting the cell where the rank will appear and type equals rank.eq. First, click the value to rank, add a comma, then highlight the entire numeric range. Make sure to lock the range with $ if you will copy the formula across rows. Next, add the optional order. Use 0 for descending, 1 for ascending. Once done, close the parenthesis and press Enter to see the rank. This is the crucial first action. Once the base ranks appear, you must manage ties and consistency. Rank.eq will give the same rank to equal values because it assigns the highest position to ties. If you need unique ranks, combine rank.eq with countif to offset ties by counting prior duplicates. This adjusts rank slightly. Also make sure to copy the formula down using absolute references like 0, 0 so the range remains fixed. After copying, scan a few cells to confirm ranks, follow expected order and offsets. Finish by deciding whether to keep live formulas or convert ranks to static values. If converting, copy the rank column and paste special as values. Then, sort by rank or original values to present results. Make sure to validate by checking highest, lowest, and tied examples so you confirm correct behavior. If something goes wrong, commonly, numbers stored as text, convert them using value, text to columns, or paste special multiply by 1. Once fixed, ranks will recalculate correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.